Hey guys, this is La Power of Nags, and sorry, but I cannot look at the screen at the moment. Like, look at that car, seriously. It is what it says on the screen. Like, would anybody want to buy it? Seriously. So anyway, I'll just be doing a review on it. We'll just put aside the looks for the moment. Well, first of all, let's look at the shape and what type of car it is. Well, obviously we know it's a Toyota, but as you can see from this picture, even though it's only got the shape, you can see that it's like a cross between a hatchback and an SUV, which looks really strange. And seriously, even my sister's laughing in the background because of how strange it looks. Now onto the engine. It has a hybrid motor, as you can see from this picture, even though this picture has just an electric motor. And, well, that's not good because it makes the car slow, and quiet. And I don't like quiet cars. And also, but now a good thing about performance is that it comes in either front wheel drive or all wheel drive, which is very good because all wheel drive, more grip and better stuff. Sadly, but this was kind of expected, the bads are overweighing the goods with this new Toyota. So yeah, don't buy it. So thanks guys for watching this review. I'd probably give the car about like a 6 out of 10 maybe. And well, yeah, hopefully you've enjoyed this video. Peace. And sadly, at the moment, goods, bad, what? Oh, God. Hey guys, this is Nagman01. Why am I telling you my email address?